Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. Today we continue to explain the lesson on the four tones of Mandarin pronunciation system. Part 3. In the last episode, we used the same single tone to explain the four pronunciation tones of Mandarin. In this episode, we will discuss the short neutral tone added in the later stage of Mandarin pronunciation. At the same time, we will also practice the pitch transition of some terms when combined with different tones to help you read pronunciation symbols and pronunciation exercises. Okay, now let's start with the neutral tone, the one less added tone. The neutral tone, 轻声. The neutral tone is a quick short tone, like the pitch and speed when we say dot. It's pronounced quickly, but the sound needs to be clear. The neutral tone is an auxiliary sound, placed at the end of a term and is usually combined with the four tones, so the neutral tone won't exist alone. Let's try the pronunciation of the neutral tone. 机子 is a colloquial folk slang term for the machine or device. 机 the first tone, 子 the neutral tone. 机子机子 Then 孩子 means the children, the Chinese character. 孩 the second tone, 子 the neutral tone. 孩子孩子 Next, 爷爷 the grandfather. The first character, 爷 is the second tone. The second character, 爷 is the neutral tone, 爷. So we used to say 爷爷爷爷. Next, 走了 means leaving now. 走 the third tone. The is the neutral tone. 走了走了 Then 馆子 restaurant. Same 馆 is the third tone. 子 is the neutral tone. 馆子馆子 Okay, the father. 爸爸 the first character. 爸 is the fourth tone. The second character, 爸 is the neutral tone. 爸爸爸爸 Then 胖子 means a proper man or woman. Again, 胖 is the fourth tone. 子 is the neutral tone. 胖子胖子 Alright, now let's practice the pronunciation with different tones mixed. 混合音调 Please be sure to listen carefully for the transition of different tone collocations. The English meaning of the Chinese term 钢琴 is the piano, the Chinese character. 钢 is the first tone. 琴 is the second tone. 钢琴钢琴 Then 新闻 the news. Same. 新 is the first tone. 闻 is the second tone. 新闻新闻 Next, 机场 the airport. 机 is the first tone. 场 is the third tone. 机场机场 Then, 高手 expert and master. Again, 高 is the first tone. 手 is the third tone. 高手高手 Then, 商店 means store, shop. 商 is the first tone. 店 is the fourth tone. 商店商店 Okay, then 超市 supermarket. Sam, 超 is the first tone. 市 is the fourth tone. 超市超市 Next, 茶杯 means the cup. 茶 is the second tone. 杯 is the first tone. 茶杯茶杯 Then, 钱包 purse or wallet. Again, 钱 is the second tone. 包 is the first tone. 钱包钱包 Then, 啤酒 the beer. 啤 is the second tone. 酒 is the third tone. 啤酒啤酒 Then, 捷运 MRT and subway. 捷 is the second tone. 运 is the fourth tone. 捷运捷运 Next, Then, 颜色 color. Sam, 颜 is the second tone. 色 the fourth tone. 颜色颜色 Then, 柳丁 orange. 柳 is the third tone. 丁 is the first tone. 柳丁柳丁 Alright, then 吐司 sliced bread. Again, 吐 is the third tone. 司 is the first tone. 吐司吐司 Okay, then 演员 performer, actor or actress. 演 is the third tone. 员 is the second tone. 演员演员 Next, 旅行 travel. Sam, 旅 is the third tone. 行 is the second tone. 旅行旅行 Then, 网路 internet and network. 网 is the third tone. 路 is the fourth tone. 网路网路 Then, 宠物 the pet. Again, 宠 is the third tone. 物 is the fourth tone. 宠物宠物 Alright, 面包 bread. 面 is the fourth tone. 包 is the first tone. 面包面包 Then, 唱歌 singing songs. Sam, 唱 is the fourth tone. 歌 is the first tone. 唱歌唱歌 Okay, then 问题 problem, question or issue. 问 is the fourth tone. 题 is the second tone. 问题问题 Next, 地图 map. Again, 地 is the fourth tone. 图 is the second tone. 地图地图 Then, 电脑 computer. 电 is the fourth tone. 脑 is the third tone. 电脑电脑 Finally, the last one, the movie, 电影 Sam, 电 is the fourth tone. 影 is the third tone. 电影电影 Alright, we finished this series of 注音 pronunciation explanations and exercises. I hope you learn to distinguish and pronounce the 4+1 tones. In the near future, we will focus on the pronunciation of each phonetic symbol and the practice of individual terms and sentences. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our future courses. I will see you next time.